Question number 26. Integration of f of x g double dash x minus f double dash x g of x dx. In this question, g double dash x. Here to apply the formula integration by parts. Integration of f of x g double dash x dx minus integration of f double dash x g of x dx. Here to apply the formula UV rule, integration by parts, u equal to f of x, v equal to g double dash x, u equal to f of x, v equal to g double dash x, f of x integration of g double dash x dx minus d by dx of f of x integration of g double dash x dx, integration of g double dash x dx minus of here to apply the UV rule, u is equal to g of x, v equal to f double dash x, u is equal to g of x, v is equal to f double dash x. To apply the UV rule, g of x integration of f double dash x dx minus d by dx of g of x integration of f double dash x dx whole dx. F of x integration of g double dash x g dash x d by dx of f of x f dash x integration of g double dash x g dash x dx. Here multiply with minus g of x integration of f double dash x f dash x minus into minus plus integration of d by dx of g of x g dash x integration of f double dash x f dash x dx. Here minus integration of f dash x g dash x dx plus integration of g dash x f dash x dx get cancelled. F of x into g dash x minus g of x into f dash x plus c. This is the answer. Question number 27. If integration of f of x dx is equal to g of x, then find integration of x cubed f of x square dx. Here one condition is given. Integration of f of x dx equal to g of x is given. This is the result. One result is given in question. To find integration of x cubed f of x square dx. Integration of x cubed can be written as x square into x, x square into x, x cubed, f of x square dx. Let x square equal to t. Let x square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X square differentiation 2x. 2x dx equal to dt. X dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 dt. Here x dx substitute x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. In x square substitute t. 1 by 2 x square equal to t f of t. X dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Here to apply the integration by parts, one formula is given. Integration of f of x dx is equal to g of x. According by this formula, integration of f of t dt, x with respect to x is g of x. Integration of f of t dt equal to g of t. G of t. Here to apply UV rule, u is equal to t, v is equal to f of t. U is equal to t, v is equal to f of t, 1 by 2 t into integration of f of t dt minus d by dt of t integration of f of t dt whole dt 1 by 2 t integration of f of t dt by using this formula, integration of f of t dt equal to g of t. G of t d by dt of t 1 integration of f of t dt, integration of f of t dt equal to g of t. G of t dt. To apply in t is equal to x square, t is equal to x square, 1 by 2 t is equal to x square, g of x square minus g in t replace x square, in t replace dx square plus c. Question number 28. Integration of f of x dx is equal to g of x plus c. Then find integration of f inverse x dx. Here one relation is given. If integration of f of x dx equal to g of x plus c, given relation integration of f of x dx is equal to g of x plus c. Suppose integration of f of t dt, integration of f of t dt is equal to g of t plus c. To find integration of f inverse x dx, integration of f inverse x dx, let f inverse x equal to t, let f inverse x equal to t, x is equal to f of t, let f inverse x is equal to t, x is equal to f of t. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides, d by dx of x1, dx is equal to d by dt of f of t, f dash t dt. In f inverse x, in f inverse x substitute t, in f inverse x substitute t, in dx, dx is equal to f dash t dt, in dx is equal to f dash t dt. Here apply integration by parts, u is equal to t, v is equal to f dash t, u is equal to t, v equal to f dash t. T integration of f dash t dt minus d by dt of t integration of f dash t dt whole dt. T integration of f dash t dt f of t minus d by dt of t 1 integration of f dash t dt f of t dt. Integration of f of x dx g of x plus c, integration of f of t dt g of t plus c. T f of t minus g of t plus c. Here t is equal to, substitute t is equal to f inverse x, substitute t is equal to f inverse x, t equal to f inverse x, f of t equal to x minus g of t equal to f inverse x, g of f inverse x plus c. Question number 29. Integration of cos x log of tan x by 2 dx. Here to apply integration by parts, this is a logarithm term. Here u is equal to log of tan x by 2, v is equal to cos x. Apply integration by parts. Log of tan x by 2, integration of cos x dx, integration by parts formula, minus d by dx of log of tan x by 2, integration of cos x dx, whole dx, log tan x by 2, integration of cos x sin x, d by dx of log tan x by 2, 1 by tan x by 2, tan x by 2 differentiation secant square x by 2, x by 2 differentiation 1 by 2, integration of cos x sin x dx, 1 by tan x by 2 cot x by 2. This entire term can be written changed as sin cos form. Log tan x by 2 sin x, 1 by tan x by 2 cot x by 2. Cot x by 2 can be written as cos x by 2 by sin x by 2, secant square x by 2, 1 by cos square x by 2 into sin x sin a formula, sin x sin a formula, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, sin x 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dx, cos x by 2 cos x by 2 cos square x by 2, this cos square x by 2 get cancelled, sin x by 2 sin x by 2 get cancelled, log of tan x by 2 sin x, 2 integration of dx, integration of dx is equal to x, log of tan x by 2 sin x minus 2x plus c. Here 1 by 2 is there, this 1 by 2, this 2 get cancelled. Here 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 sin x, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, 2 get cancelled, integration of dx is equal to x. Question number 30, integration of x square into x secant square x plus tan x by x tan x plus 1 whole square dx. This answer equal to minus x square by x tan x plus 1 plus f of x plus c. By observing this result, minus x square x tan x plus 1. Here to differentiate this term, x tan x plus 1 differentiate d by dx of x tan x plus 1. UV formula, x into tan x differentiation secant square x, x d by dx of tan x secant square x plus tan x d by dx of x 1. To observe that x tan x plus 1 is f of x, x secant square x plus tan x is f dash x. It is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x whole square dx is equal to minus 1 by f of x plus c. Minus 1 by f of x is x tan x plus 1. Clearly observe that this entire term is equal to v. This is v, this is u. To apply integration by parts, here u is equal to x square, v is equal to x secant square x plus tan x by x tan x plus 1 whole square. Apply integration by parts, x square, integration of x secant square x plus tan x by x tan x plus 1 whole square dx minus d by dx of x square integration of x secant square x integration of x secant square x plus tan x by x tan x plus 1 whole square dx whole dx. Here this is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x whole square, f dash by f of x whole square minus 1 by f of x, x square minus 1 by f of x is x tan x plus 1 minus d by dx of x square to x. Here also to observe that integration of f dash x by f of x whole square minus 1 by x tan x plus 1 dx. Minus x square by x tan x plus 1. Here minus into minus plus integration of 2x by x tan x can be written as sin x by cos x plus 1 dx minus x square x tan x plus 1 plus 2 into cos x is LCM, x sin x plus cos x by cos x, the cos x is reciprocal, x cos x by x sin x plus cos x dx. Here also one formula, d by dx of x sin x plus cos x, x sin x plus cos x, UV rule, x into d by dx of sin x cos x plus sin x d by dx of x 1, cos x differentiation minus sin x. Sin x doesn't cancel, x cos x. X sin x plus f of x is f of, this is entire term is f of x, x sin x plus cos x. X cos x is f dash x. Integration of f dash x by f of x dx log mod f of x plus c minus x square by x tan x plus 1 plus 2 into log mod x sin x plus cos x plus c. Here f of x is equal to 2 log mod x sin x plus cos x. This is the answer. Integration of x cube log x whole square dx. Here this is logarithm term. Logarithm term, let me, it is by using formula integration by parts. U is equal to log x whole square, v is equal to x cubed. Applying integration by parts, log x whole square integration of x cubed dx minus d by dx of log x whole square integration of x cubed dx whole dx. Log x whole square integration of x cubed dx x power 4 by 4 log x whole square derivative 2 log x is equal to 1 by x. Integration of x cubed dx x power 4 by 4 dx 2 ones 2 2 here x get cancelled. X power 4 by 4 log x whole square minus 1 by 2 x power 4 get cancelled, x cubed log x dx. X cubed log x dx. Here also apply integration by parts formula. U is equal to log x, v is equal to x cubed. X power 4 by 4 log x whole square minus 1 by 2 into log x integration of x cubed dx minus integration of d by dx of log x integration of x cubed dx whole dx. X power 4 by 4 log x whole square minus 1 by 2 log x integration of x cubed dx x power 4 by 4 minus d by dx of log x formula 1 by x integration of x cubed dx x power 4 by 4 dx. Here x get cancelled, x cubed. X power 4 by 4 log x whole square multiply with minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 1 by 8 x power 4 log x minus into minus plus 1 by 8 integration of x cubed dx. X power 4 by 4 log x whole square minus 1 by 8 x power 4 log x plus 1 by 8. Here integration of x cubed dx x power 4 by 4 plus c. Here to observe that in this question the common term is x power 4 by 4. X power 4 by 4 is the common. X power 4 by 4 is the common. Here log x whole square. X power 4 by 4 here 2. 4 into 2 8. Minus 1 by 2 log x. X power by 4 is common. Plus 1 by 8 plus c. Integration of question number 32 integration of e power x sin square 2x minus 8 cos 4x dx equal to e power x f of x plus c. To find f of x, integration of e power x sin square 2x minus 8 cos 4x dx. d by dx of sin 2x differentiation, d by dx of sin 2x, sin 2x cos 2x, sin square 2x differentiation, 2 sin 2x, sin 2x differentiation cos 2x, 2x differentiation 2. 2 sin 2x cos 2x, 2 sin 2x cos 2x sin 2a sin 4x, 2 sin 4x, sin square 2x differentiation, sin square 2x is 2 sin 2x, sin 2x differentiation cos 2x, 2x differentiation is 2, 2 sin 2x cos 2x sin 4x into 2, 2 sin 4x. Integration of e power x sin square 2x here plus 2 sin 4x, 2 sin 4x add and subtract, 2 sin 4x add and subtract minus 8 cos 4x dx. E power x sin square 2x minus 2 sin 4x, this is one term, sin square 2x minus sin 4x plus 2 sin 4x minus 8 cos 4x. This is another term dx. Here f of x is equal to sin square 2x minus 2 sin 4x f dash x. Sin square 2x differentiation is 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x sin 4x cos 4x. 4x differentiation 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 cos 4x. Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. This entire result is called sin square 2x minus 2 sin 4x. This is f of x plus 2 sin 4x minus 8 cos 4x f dash x. E power x into sin square 2x minus 2 sin 4x plus c. Here f of x is equal to sin square 2x minus 2 sin 4x. Question number 33. Integration of cos x minus 1 by sin x plus 1 into e power x dx. One formula. Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x f of x plus c. This is the formula. Integration of e power x. This can be split into two forms. Cos x by sin x plus 1 minus 1 by sin x plus 1 dx. Here f of x is equal to cos x by sin x plus 1. This differentiation is equal to minus 1 by sin x plus 1. Here to apply the differentiation, f dash x is equal to u by v rule. Sin x plus 1 d by dx of cos x minus sin x minus cos x d by dx of sin x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. D by dx of 1 differentiation is 0 by v square sin x plus 1 whole square. Here to multiply minus sin x into sin x minus sin square x 1 into minus sin x minus cos square x by sin x plus 1 whole square. Minus sin square x minus cos square x. Minus is common. Sin square x plus cos square x minus sin x by sin x plus 1 whole square. Sin square x plus cos square x 1 minus 1 by minus sin x by sin x plus 1 whole square. Here minus is common. 1 plus sin x by sin x plus 1 whole square. 1 power get cancelled. Minus 1 by 1 plus sin x or sin x plus 1. Cos x by sin x plus 1 is f of x. Minus 1 by sin x plus 1 is f dash x. Then the result equal to e power x into f of x. E power x into f of x. Cos x by sin x plus 1 plus c. Question number 34. Integration of 1 plus sin of log x by 1 plus cos of log x dx. Here let log x equal to let log x equal to t. Here base is there in exponential form, x equal to e power t. In exponential form, x equal to e power t. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides, dx equal to e power t dt. Dx is equal to e power t dt, e power t 1 plus sin t by 1 plus cos t. In log x substitute t. 1 plus cos a. 1 plus cos a equal to 2 cos square a by 2. 2 cos square a by 2. 1 plus cos a equal to 2 cos square a by 2. Trigonometry. 1 plus cos t. 1 plus cos t 2 cos square t by 2. Integration of e power t 1 plus sin t. Sin a formula. Sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Sin t 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. 1 plus cos t 2 cos square t by 2. You separate two functions, e power t 1 by 2 cos square t by 2 plus 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 by 2 cos square t by 2 dt. 2 get cancelled, cos t by 2 get cancelled. Sin t by 2 by cos t by 2 tan t by 2. Integration of e power t 1 by 2 1 by cos square t by 2 secant square t by 2 sin t by 2 by cos t by 2 tan t by 2. Clearly observe that f of t equal to tan t by 2. Tan t by 2 differentiation secant square t by 2 1 by 2. 1 by 2 secant square t by 2. This is f dash t, this is f of t. Here e power t into f of t. E power t into f of t is equal to tan t by 2. Tan t by 2 plus c. E power t is equal to x. Substitute e power t is equal to x. Tan t equal to log x. Plus c.